Recently, there have been huge breakthroughs in technology, especially with ChatGPT, the conversation-based AI that's making huge waves. Another new form of AI is called Causal Cooperative Nets, or CCNets. So let's look at how these two types of AI function and are different from each other. First of all, it's important to understand how CCNets work, and we can compare it with a similar model called GANs. GANs are usually described as a competitive two-player game. Think about a criminal who's forging artwork. They want to trick the detective into believing that the art they're making is authentic, and the detective wants to identify whether each piece of art is real or fake. These two players are what make up the generator and discriminator models of GANs. Through this example, we can see that the goal of the generator is to trick the discriminator by producing data samples that are almost identical with the real data. Meanwhile, the discriminator's goal is to correctly identify whether this data is real or not. And as this game progresses, both networks continue to adjust their weights and biases. With this example in mind, let's see how it applies to CCNets. So CCNets adds one more model to the mix for a total of 3 models, and the reasoner, producer, and explainer have a cooperative relationship rather than a competitive relationship with each other. Instead of models trying to outsmart one another, CCNets has criminal informants that are cooperating with the detective, explaining to the detective how to think and act like a criminal and how to reproduce their actions. In reverse, these informants could also explain to the criminal how to think and act like a detective and reproduce their actions as well.